Hello friends, welcome back to the Fadhili Family YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider liking and subscribing to our YouTube video. And on today's video, I will be showing you how we make our homemade naan bread. And for the ingredients, I have 750 grams of home baking flour. I have natural plain yogurts, sugar, salt, instant dry yeast, cooking oil, and warm water. So join me as we mix the dough. So on my mixing bowl, I have 750 grams of home baking flour. I will add my dry ingredients first. This is instant dry yeast. This is 10 grams. The next dry ingredients is sugar. So I will add 1 tablespoonful of sugar. Then I will add salt. This is a half teaspoonful of salt. The dry ingredients, I will add cooking oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoonfuls of cooking oil. So I've done 3 tablespoonfuls. The next ingredients is yogurt. I have about 3/4 cup of yogurt. This is natural plain yogurt. And then guys, I will mix the ingredients. First, I will use a wooden spoon. Once the ingredients have all mixed together, now I will add my warm water. And I will do so little by little until I get a soft dough. So mix your dough like you would mix your chapati dough. So our dough is now ready. As you can see, it's not sticking on my hands, and neither is it sticking on the bowl. So what I will do next is to cover the dough and allow it to rest for half an hour. So see you guys after half an hour. So after kneading it like this, I'll go ahead and cut the dough into small portions like that. I will take one of the portions and roll it into a small ball. And I'll continue like this until all the balls are ready. So I have rolled my balls of naan. So I will leave this for another 15 minutes covered with a cloth, a kitchen cloth. So see you in 15 minutes. So guys, this is 15 minutes later. I will go ahead and remove the cloth from the balls. So our dough has been resting for a further 15 minutes. So I'll go ahead and roll each and every ball into a round small naan bread. So I have put some flour onto my working surface. And this is my first ball. Go ahead and roll it out. like that, and I'll go ahead and roll the next one. So guys, I will roll out all the balls, then I will cover the naan bread for a further 5 minutes before we can put them on the fire to cook. So guys, it's been 5 minutes. Our naan bread that have been rolled out have been resting covered for the last 5 minutes. So I'll go ahead and light my stove, put my pan. I have a non-stick pan here that I have allowed to heat. So what I will do next is put my first naan bread onto the pan. And allow it to cook on one side before we flip onto the next side. So, and as you can see, it's cooking well. You can see some bubbles. You can see it's rising, which is a good indication that the inside is cooking very well. So I'll go ahead and flip it. Our first bread is ready, as you can see. You can see also with this one, it's rising, which is a clear indication that the inside is cooking. Go ahead and flip it.
Like it's not even there. Nah, nah. We feeling ourselves in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy. This is how it.
And our naan bread is now ready. So you can either have it like this, or you can spread some butter if you like. So I'll go ahead and spread some butter. So we shall be enjoying our naan bread with some beef gravy. So be sure to give this recipe a try at home, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And as you can see, our naan bread is very soft and has turned out very well. So until our next video, remain blessed and goodbye.
Yeah, we do it better. We don't ever care. Ignoring the pressure. Like it's not even there.